Jim Malone here from njhypno.com. First of all, I want to wish you a happy new year. It's the first week in January as I'm recording this. And I thought today I'd share with you some tips related to making your New Year's resolution stick. Oddly enough, the first hint that I'm going to give you turns the idea of New Year's resolutions itself on its head. Because a lot of times those are big and lofty goals. Like, let's say, for example, you want to reduce by 30 or 40 pounds in the coming year. That's wonderful, but it can be a little intimidating. However, if you break it down into the smaller steps, if you get more into the moment, and even get into the habit of asking yourself the question, what can I do today or this week or right now that'll make a difference, that'll take me a little further down the road, you'll be pleasantly surprised how effective that'll be for you. The other one comes from recent findings in psychology that tell us that having the attitude of gratitude and appreciation makes habit control easier. And when you think it through, it kind of makes sense, because if you're appreciating life and you feel like life is happening for you rather than to you, rather than feeling like a victim, you're going to be calmer. And with greater calm, naturally comes greater self-control, because we know trying to tough things out or grit it out with willpower only lasts so long until you kind of burn yourself out. So I'd encourage you to adopt that practice, and I'll share with you a little personal anecdote. The previous year, 2017, was kind of a rough one for me. Had a lot of adversity thrown my way that I wasn't too happy about. And one of the things I found that helped, it's part of a little ritual I do in the morning where I kind of plan my day ahead. But before I do that, I mentally scan the previous day and come up with at least 3 things that I was grateful for. And they could be small and mundane, like I was looking for a parking spot and one magically opened up for me, or lunch was pretty good, and on up the ladder to more significant things. Maybe I was working with a client with a difficult situation and we had a good outcome. And I found that that really did help with the stress levels quite a bit. And lastly, I'd like to let you know about a class I'm having this Saturday. That would be January 6th, 2018 at 11 o'clock at my office here in Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey. It's on making healthy lifestyle changes. You can learn more at my website at njhypno.com. And if that doesn't work into your plans, or you're watching this after the event has passed, always feel free to connect with me regarding your comments, your questions, and especially if you're curious about how we could work together one-to-one. You can connect by either giving me a call directly at 732-714-7040, or if you're at my website, use one of the contact forms, send me a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So once again, this is Jim Malone from njhypno.com. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care of yourself and go forth and make it a great day. Bye now.